Good morning everyone, welcome to Serene Kitchen. This is our third week in isolation. We're staying home because of the coronavirus. Today it's Sunday and I would love to make a nice Palestinian breakfast for my son Basil and his friend Insia. So I'm gonna start with doing a couple of new dishes. I'm gonna do shakshuka, which is tomato with eggs and onion and garlic and hot pepper. I'm gonna do hummus. The chickpeas is here. I'm gonna blend it soon. And today is a new additional Basil favorite ground beef fried in the top of the hummus. I made homemade Palestinian cheese last night with kuzha, black seed, and I made my homemade lebne. And we're gonna have batata and bayd, which is one of my kids' favorite dish since they were young. I'm gonna use fresh eggs right from my neighbor farm. Stay with us. I hope you will like it. I'm chopping some tomatoes for the shakshuka and Basil is helping me with the mortar, crushing the garlic and the hot pepper. Thanks for your help, Basil. And now, I love it when all my kids helping me. So Basil did some share and now Salma is peeling the potatoes so we can do mfarrake, which is batata and bayd in Arabic. And it's one of the main dishes in the Palestinian homes. To do the mufarrakat batata, you have to cut the potatoes to small cube like that. Warm up the olive oil. When it's warm and ready, we transfer this to the pan. When it's soft, we cracked 2 eggs in it. You will love this dish. Hi, Ansia's here. She's ready to help. So get 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
With each other.
With each other?
Yes.
She doesn't know how to do that.
I don't know if I can do that. Both together?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Nice. Now put it here. Good job. Oh. Yay.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Thanks.
Do you usually crack together?
After I fry the meat with the olive oil, I'm gonna decorate it in the top of the hummus because this is what I said earlier, Basil's favorite dish with meat and hummus. Shakshuka is ready. The mufarrak batata and bayd is ready. We're gonna scoop it this way. And the food is ready. So I did smash the fava beans with hot pepper, garlic, decorated with olive oil and parsley. You will love this. My lovely family wants to go and eat outside, so let's start taking the food outside. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. Look at that, my lovely family. Oh, I hope you have a healthy, safe week, and hopefully we will be out of this soon. Okay, stay healthy, enjoy it.